Welcome back to my channel. Real special unboxing today. Something I've been waiting on for a minute, man. I ain't gonna waste no more time, man. Let's go right into it.
I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but I'm gonna stay focused on my grind. I won't let none of this shit phase me.
Alright, so like I said on my last video, I hit twice on the Lace app, twice. So the first ones we came through, we saw those were the Air Max 90s. You know what I'm saying? Those was fly. And then there are these, fresh out the box. Let's see what we got going on. Some shit, it's a shoe I've been chasing down for a minute. I can't even get it out the box here. Look at that. Fresh. Let's see what we got. See what they say right here. Ooh, size 11. AJKO1. Air Jordan KO1s. Comes with your lace sticker because you got lace. What I showed you before, lace winner. Ooh. Got that. And here they go. Ooh. They authentic. Matter of fact, let me switch up. I can't do blur. Let's just go like this. Wow, there we go. Authentic right here. Let you know they verified authentic. Look at that right there. Look at that canvas on the side. That's what I really love. Air Jordan 1s, AJKO1s. There's quite a few versions of these, but realistically, I just like these and the blue ones. The blue ones I got before. Matter of fact, it's a video probably right here that I posted. Matter of fact, forget the video. Here, boom, the blue joints. Got them first. Now I got the sisters. Now we on here. Now we winning. Look at that. I love it. I love the canvas on the side. That's my favorite part right there. Boom. Leather right here. Leather right here. See, looking like at the tongue. Just all around nice shoe. It's like canvas right here too. All around nice shoe, man. I love it. Can't wait to throw this on, wear this around. Actually come with a couple of different shoestrings. So I got the black ones in there. Comes with the red, the white. What more can you say, man? Together again, finally. Hit me in the comments, man. Tell me how you like these. They come in other colors too. I think there's a Syracuse orange. There's the Billie Eilish, did like an all green one for women. It's a couple of other different colorways, but these are the only two that I really wanted, and only two that I'm probably gonna get. I don't think I'm gonna shoot for any more AJKOs. I think I completed what I wanted on these, and get these in the collection, and we'll see what's next, man. Till next time, man. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe, talk to me. Let me know how you feel about these. Let me know what y'all out there looking for. Tell me what's your shoe that you look for. I actually don't even know what I'm looking for next after this. Hold on, let me think. I gotta get some 4s. I have no Jordan 4s at all. 4s is next on my list. Man, once again, thanks for watching, and I'll let y'all next time.